In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background color on Lucidchart. To get started, open your web browser and head over to Lucidchart's website. Once you're there, you'll want to log in. So go ahead and click on the login button. This will prompt you to type in your email address. Once you've entered your email, click on next. Now you'll need to enter your password. After filling that in, click on login again to access your Lucidchart account. After logging in, you'll find yourself at the documents page. This is where all your creations live. To create a new document, we'll click on new. As you do that, a drop down menu will appear. From this menu, select Lucidchart. Once it's opened, you'll have the option to create from template, which helps save time if you aren't starting from scratch. A variety of templates should now be available. Browse through them and select the one that best suits your project's needs. Once you've made your choice, click on Use Template to launch it in Lucidchart. Now that your document is open, you'll want to focus on the canvas area, which is the white rectangular space where your charts and drawings take shape. To change the background color, move your mouse to an empty area on the canvas and right-click. This contextual menu is a shortcut to some very handy tools. Here, you'll want to select Document Settings. Once the Document Settings window pops up, navigate to the section labeled Canvas and Page. In this area, you'll find an option for background color. Clicking on this option will bring up a color palette from which you can select your preferred color. Choose a color that will best complement your design. Keep in mind that the right background color can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your diagram. After selecting your color, it's time to exit the settings. You can do this by clicking the X in the corner of the window. This will save your changes and bring you back to your main workspace. And there you have it, your background color is now changed successfully, giving your chart a fresh new look. Don't forget to save your document to ensure all your hard work stays intact. That's it for today's tutorial.